Good morning, Mom. Let me introduce myself. My name is Elisa Kristiani Sinaga with NIM 2316742 from the Afternoon Management Program Study B. Here, I will tell you about that past I was in my life when I was in school, in the 12th grade to be precise. When I was in the third year of senior high school, my life felt completely different from the years before. Everything suddenly became more serious: exams, university quiz, and all the pressure of growing up. But even with all those worries, something sweet happened, darling, that time. I started getting to know a boy who later became one of my favorite memories. The first time I noticed him was during a school orientation event for the new student. I did not join the committees, but I helped my class check the attendance list. He stood at the opposite desk, holding a clip card and calling names with this calm but confident voice. His expressions looked focused, but he smiled whenever someone greeted him. I tried to act normal, but honestly, I stared at him more than I should. At that moment, I do not know him name yet, but something about him caught my attention in a way I couldn't explain. A few minutes later, our eyes accidentally met. I looked away quickly because I felt embarrassed, but I was sure he noticed. After that day, I kept thinking about him even though we never talked. It feels silly, but I could not help it. 2 weeks later, I met him again, this time in the library. I was seated at a small table near the window, trying to finish a literature assessment. When I looked up, he was standing in from the bookshelf across from me. I panicked a little, pretending to focus on my notes. A moment later, he walked toward me and asked, "Are you asking that seat?" I shook my head, and he sat down across from me for a few minutes. Neither of us said anything. The silence felt awkward, but in a good way. Then he suddenly asked what book I was looking for. His voice sounded soft and friendly, and I felt my chest tighten for a second. We ended up talking for almost an hour, mostly about books and the teacher we did not like. He made me laugh more than I expected. From that day on, we started saying other more often. Sometimes we beat me into each other in the hallway. Sometimes he passed by my classroom and worked at me. Sometimes he pretended to need help with homework even though he often understand everything better for me. I slowly, our conversations become something I look forward to every single day. One Friday afternoon, after school ended, he asked if I wanted to walk home together. I did not actually say yes to things like that, but something about him made me feel safe. So I agreed. The sky was orange. They are where and we walked side by with you. Rushing, he told me stories about his childhood, his dreams, his fears, and even the things that made him insecure. I did not expect him to be that open when we talked. They sometimes look at me with this gentle expression that my heart first of you. Then he saw something I will never to forget. I did not know responsive. I just small like and either because my heart was beating to fit. I feel all over, like the moment wrapped itself around me. It was simple, but it was enough to make my whole week brighter. As months passed, we grew ever closer. He waited for me after class, brought me snacks when I forgot to eat, answered his handphone with me during breaks. He sent me God luck message before every test and asked how my day went every evening. We weren't dating, not officially, but there was something real between us, something soft, gentle, and unbelievably sweet. On our last day, before graduation, we sat together on the school rooftop during sunset. He told me he was grateful that he met me during our final year because I made everything feel less stressful and more meaningful. I did not say it out loud, but I will excite the Psalms. Even now, whenever I think about that time, it still feels warm. High school was stressful, confusing, and over him, but because of him, it also became on the most beautiful memories I ever had. A short video of my experience at this time. I apologize if there are any some things in conveying some inappropriate words. Thank you for your attention, ladies and friends. See you.